Right, here we go. What we got on today? Now, the old BMW, bless it, the gear knob has got a real sharp tatty bit here where the plastic shiny silver's come away. It's been like it for ages, but I've been on Amazon, bought myself a new gear knob. Now, I don't know what it's going to be like, because this was £17, cheap as chips really for what it is. It's supposed to be leather. Let's have a look, see what we get. It's supposed to be compatible for this model. Oh, but first impression there, it looks nice on the top and everything, but it's shorter, isn't it? We're a bit shorter, so unless that is going to pull up, we're going to have a problem. Anyway, to get these gear knobs off, what do? You've got to pull it off, and watch, don't smack yourself in the face while you're doing it, because they can be really tight. So grab hold of it and give it a tug straight up. Here we go, see what happens. Oh, it's a bit awkward getting at it. Oh, this is tight. Oh, holy smoke, that took a tug, didn't it? Whew.
You might laugh, but I do know a guy that did knock his front tooth out pulling a BMW gear knob off. Not funny.
So if that's down there and that's there, I don't think this is going to fit. It might do. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's going on there. It's all a bit floppy, isn't it? Oh. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Yeah. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, to be fair. I thought it was going to be worse than that. I thought it was going to be worse because it's such a size difference. It seems to be on. It seems to have got it, so... Because that's like, the difference in the length is quite a bit there, isn't it? But that obviously, this should now feel a bit more of a short shift, because that one was sticking up quite a bit more, at least another 15mm higher. So we're a bit lower. It's going to be a bit more of a sporty feel maybe. So here you can see the old gear knob and the, if we can get a focus on it. There you go, look, you can see that tatty kind of where the paintwork has come away from it. Yeah, you can just see there how the paint has come off it and it's gone all a bit crappy and horrible. But it's really, the original gear knobs are nice, you know, it's got a good feel to it, it's got a bit of weight behind it. Just hope that this one stays on like that one did, you know. But that feels alright, that does. That's quite nice. It does, it feels short shift. So you can make the difference in the height. You can feel that now. It is lower. It's a lower feel. Nice, feels nice and leathery. Well, that might just be plastic, but it feels quite nice. Do you know what? I'm really pleased with that. That looks $1 million. That does. Whoa.
And there you go. You can have a nice close-up of it. You can actually see just at the bottom where it goes near the gator. Yeah, it's not as perfect as what the original one was, but when you compare them side by side, it don't look half bad, does it?
Yeah, well, there you go. Easy job. I'll put the links into the description for the part number of that in the Amazon shop, and yeah, if you want to change yours over, you can see how easy that was. That's not bad, is it, really? Not bad at all. We've now got an M Sport gear knob in the car. Well, thanks for watching that, and like and subscribe.